Oh, fuck. Fucking heavy, bro. Look, no hat today. What do you think? Really? Oh, me? No shit. Who else? Don't do it, don't do it. Hide it, hide it, hide it.
This nigga's all over here, bro.
Okay, no, bro. Boys. Bro, we're trying to film in public more, but I feel so fucking awkward freaking out, dude. I feel so awkward. Oh, hell, we gotta do this, though. We gotta do this, you know what I mean?
Oh, hell no.
we gotta be savage, bro. Yeah, I don't feel too much anymore, but you gotta, but Justin's too extra, bro.
Hello. No.
I'm about to hit her with the. Dude, Loki, that's not even funny, bro.
That bitch staring at you.
What you think? She was just like. I don't know how much of this footage we're actually gonna use, but I'm trying to get more comfortable in public with it, just to have more fun and shit. But oh fuck, dude, it's so nerve-wracking. I don't know. Yossi's a fucking savage though. I don't know how he does it. Nigga does not care. It's the best thing here. Cheers to that. Cheers to more filming.
What?
That's not even good at all.
Ew, what is that, nigga?
That's from when we went to the drive-ins.
Oh,
Yeah,
nah.
now you know.
When Brian got Tickle Monster or what?
Hey, you motherfucker.
Oh hell no, oh hell no, oh hell no, oh hell no, oh hell no.
Now think about it, I don't even care about filming in public, bro. I'm fucking savage with it.
Then we go to them all.
That's the final level. Today we got a little oil change. You guys know the usual. I'm actually kind of excited for this. I did something that. Oh hell no! Why would you
chill?
I know, but like, why would you do that mid fucking? All right, hold up. I did a little something.
That looks like your wee wee. No way you're gonna pick this up.
Back in school.
I don't get it. That's right now. You.
I honestly, nah, not right now. In the past, I cannot say not. What?
Like what? Nah, don't.
No. Look, in the past, definitely. This was you too. You can't even say. This was me.
Yeah, no shit. We all started small.
No, I'm just kidding. My shit was long the whole time. We just exposed roach. For the outside ones, I got some white ones, so hopefully they look cool. And for these, I did something that I don't know who's gonna fuck with it, but I got yellow. But look, you don't know what you'll see when you see it. Oh, and then I got new ones of the little LEDs down there because they don't work. Like the little tiny one.
Oh really?
Yeah, I got new ones of that. So let's
What
switch
are they
them
at?
out real quick. What do you think?
Yeah, it is. Better than that.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Never once. Oh hell nah.
The fuck is smoking?
Oh hell no, you see it? They see it.
Wait, why?
That shit smells good though.
I'm gonna just put the stock ones back on for now until I figure out what the fuck's going on. Unless I think they might be too strong for the headlight, and then the high beam ones, we're just gonna look like that. You see how it's all yellow and shit? I just wanted that little yellow look right there, because I just feel like it looks cool compared to like just like a regular thing. This one looks yellow like that. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna see if we can figure it out right now. If not, I'm gonna just put it back to stock. We'll update you guys then. I'm kind of sad right now. You ready?
Yeah, go.
Oh yeah, no.
I couldn't find it. Oh, it's all the way over here. I bet.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I can close it right here. Look, I have a handle. Wait, let me get it.
Oh yeah, no.
Okay. if he was joking or not, but that nigga got gas, bruh. Shut up!
Get gas, kids! Get gas!
Wait. Right now. Hurry up, bro. The best of bad, bro.
No, Loki, I look swag today.
Really? Let me
I
see.
look like a swag guy.
How much would you fit, bro?
Like $5, but look.
Okay. They still can't tie his shoes, bro. Oh, hell nah.
Who's
You
this?
can't
thing?
either, bro.
Look at this, boy. I don't know if you guys remember though the door dashing video.
Okay, back, editor.
By the end of the month, this video needs 1,000 likes, and whoever loses gets their nipples twisted.
Yeah.
All right, boys. You heard it here first. Deal?
Yeah.
Ah, hell no. Oh, hell no. And then we did the little bet. 1,000 likes by the end of the month. We didn't get there, but we got like 140 something. So I appreciate it nevertheless. You know, it's still nice. But we didn't get 1,000. So the time has come that my nipples are
Dead.
gonna get biggity, 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 boom. And you do. I'm too nervous.
Take your fucking hoodie out, nigga.
No!
No, take your hoodie out.
Fuck. Alright. Dude, Loki, I don't want to do this because I feel like this nigga's getting horny.
No.
Oh, he's not. Alright, I'll hold the GoPro. You do your due diligence.
Stand right here so we can be equal.
Oh, no.
Stand right there, cuz.
Ah, what the fuck? This is so weird.
I'm just gonna fall back.
Do your due diligence. Wait, what the fuck, dude? No, that's fucked up.
Don't look at me, though.
You
Don't
gotta
look
do
at
it fast. You better not be teasing me. You better not
No, but
even
you
rub
don't
my shit.
Ow.
I
You
am.
better be a man.
Alright, go.
I have to find them, bro.
No, you don't have to find
No,
shit.
no.
This nigga just wants to rub my nipples, bro. Oh, are you crazy? You just gotta do it. Oh, I fucking hate this, bro. You gotta go fast, though. Ow! It already hurts. Okay, you're a bitch. Go!
Wait, just don't think about it.
Ow! That fucking hurt, dude. You got the fucking t-shirt. Ow!
Ew, look at that dick on you. Ew, bro. I feel that,
Ow! Why'd you pinch him so hard? Ow!
I fucked up because I went like that.
Oh, yeah!
Again, dude.
Look at how red they are! Oh, yeah. Brian, you gotta go to sleep at 10 if you know. Alright, but the bulbs I tried to install, they didn't work. Well, they worked, but they almost caught on fire type shit, but it's kind of sad. Let me know down below if you like know what's up with that. But look, check out the high beam. Oh, I have that little yellow look that I like. You see that right there? Yes, sir. Dude, I think the last time I ever got one of those, my brother did that shit to me when I was hella young. Oh, dude, they still sting, low key.
Yeah? I bet you went to tell your mom.
Huh?
I bet you told your mom when you did it.
Did what? Oh, when he gave me the nipple twister? Yeah, hell yeah, nigga. You're next or what?
Yeah?
Alright, if this video doesn't get 100, let's do 100. Let's do 100.
5.
Hey, Brian gets his.
Alright, man.
You're down or no? Yeah, dijo. Alright, boys. This video, by the end of November, 100 likes. And Brian will twist Roach's nipples. And if it doesn't get 100 likes by the end of the month, Roach will twist Brian's nipples. So make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, you already know, and yeah, we'll see who gets their nipples twisted. And we'll see you guys next month for that one. Ta-ta. Oh! That shit's turbo! Fuck! Yo, that shit sounds so sick! That shit's sick, bro! Oh, no way, bro. I never would have imagined being in one of these, you know what I mean?
Oh, you haven't got the light, huh?
Nah, we don't need it right now. Oh shit. to Gap City, bro. Shit. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh hell nah. We'll put the hazards on
I feel
them.
like you let me win.
A 30?
I'll give you your 20.
Alright.
Because the 30s are mine.
Alright.
Oh hell no. Oh hell yeah! Oh shit! That fool spun too much, bruh. You grip better. Okay, okay. Oh, they're right there. Right next to me. I'm already gone though. Oh shit! Oh shit! Sheesh. Dude, you low-key get them off the jump. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck. It's like it go on. It's cool, but look, I never thought I would be here. Oh, go!
Just don't think about it.
Oh, hell no.